The Empty Cafe.
Welcome to our coffee shop. Here is a menu for you.
Thank you. I am very thirsty today.
Can I get you something to drink while you decide?
Yes, that would be lovely. I would like a hot coffee, please.
How do you take your coffee?
I like it with 2 spoons of sugar and some fresh milk.
I am very sorry, ma'am. We do not have any milk right now.
No milk? That is strange for a coffee shop.
Yes, the delivery truck is late today.
I understand. In that case, I will have black coffee.
Actually, I have more bad news.
What is the problem now?
Our coffee machine is out of order. It broke this morning.
So you cannot serve coffee and you have no milk?
That is correct. I am very sorry.
Okay, I will change my order. Do you have tea?
Yes, we have many kinds of tea. We have green tea and Earl Grey.
I will try the green tea, but I want it iced, not hot.
Iced green tea? That sounds refreshing.
Yes, it is very hot outside.
Oh dear, I am afraid to tell you this.
Let me guess, you do not have ice?
You are right. The ice machine is broken too.
This is unbelievable. You have nothing to drink.
We have tap water and we have fresh apples.
Fine, I will just eat an apple.
Excellent choice. I will bring it right away.
Thank you. I hope the apple is not broken too.
No, the apple is perfect.
A terrible weekend.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Honestly, it was terrible. I am not happy today.
Oh no. What happened?
My house was robbed on Saturday.
You are kidding. That is awful news.
I wish I was kidding. I came home and the door was open.
Were you at home when it happened?
No, I was at the movies. The house was empty.
That is so scary. Did they break anything?
Yes, they broke the window in the kitchen to get in.
Did they steal a lot of your things?
They took my new television and my DVD player.
That is really bad luck. Did they take your computer?
Yes, my laptop is gone too.
What about your clothes? You have many nice suits.
That is the funny part. They did not touch my clothes.
Really? Why not?
I think my clothes are too old and ugly for them.
Do not say that. Your clothes are very professional.
Well, the robbers did not think so. It makes me feel sad.
You are just feeling blue because of the robbery.
You are right. It is a stressful situation.
Did you call the police immediately?
Yes, they came and looked at the house.
Did they find the people?
No, they just wrote a report.
I am so sorry this happened to you.
It is okay. At least I am safe.
Exactly. You can buy a new TV, but you cannot replace yourself.
Thank you for listening. I feel a little better now.
Let's get some coffee. It is my treat today.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
The Secret Pet.
You have a very beautiful home, Mark. It is so clean.
Thank you, Lisa. I try to keep it tidy.
It is very quiet here. Do you live all by yourself?
Well, I don't have a wife or children, but I am not alone.
Oh, do you have a roommate?
Sort of. I have a pet who lives with me.
I love animals. Do you have a dog?
No, I do not have a dog. They bark too much.
Then you must have a cat.
No, I do not have a cat either.
Is it a bird or maybe a hamster?
You are not even close. Do you want to guess again?
Do you have a fish tank?
No fish. My pet likes to walk around the room.
I give up. Please tell me what it is.
Believe it or not, I have a large green iguana.
An iguana? Are you joking?
No, I am serious. He is in the other room sleeping.
Is he dangerous? Does he bite?
No, he is very gentle. He is actually very lazy.
That is such an unusual pet. Where did you get him?
I bought him at a special pet store 4 years ago.
What does an iguana eat? Does he eat meat?
No, he is a vegetarian. He loves fresh salad and fruit.
That is funny. He eats better than I do.
Would you like to meet him?
I am a little scared, but okay.
Don't worry, he is very friendly.
Does he have a name?
Yes, his name is Rex.
That is a scary name for a lazy lizard.
Come on, I will introduce you.
A cool new style.
Hey, look at you. That is a very cool jacket.
Do you really like it? I just bought it.
Yes, it looks great. It fits you perfectly.
I was worried it was too bright. It is very red.
No, red is a good color for you. Where did you get it?
I found it at the weekend market downtown.
Was it expensive? Jackets are usually pricey.
That is the best part. It was a good deal.
How much did it cost?
It only cost $15.
$15? That is amazing. You are a lucky shopper.
I know. I also bought this blue hat.
You are very stylish today. You are really in fashion.
Thanks. I want to look different this year.
Do you like other accessories, like jewelry?
No, I don't like rings or necklaces. They are uncomfortable.
What about tattoos? They are very popular now.
Actually, I have a secret to tell you.
A secret? What is it?
I got a tattoo yesterday, too.
You are kidding. You never liked tattoos before.
I changed my mind. Do you want to see it?
Of course. Is it big?
Yes, it is on my arm. Look here.
Wow, it is a giant green dinosaur.
Do you think it is scary?
It is a little scary, but it is very cool.
I am glad you like it. My mother will hate it.
Don't worry. Just wear your new jacket when you see her.
That is a smart idea.
The wrong size.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to return this shirt.
Okay, let me look at it. Is the shirt damaged?
No, nothing is broken. The quality is fine.
Did you find a stain or a hole?
No, it is clean. The problem is the size.
Is it too big for you?
No, it is much too small. It does not fit my shoulders.
I see. Do you want to swap it for a larger size?
No, I don't think I want this style anymore.
Okay. Did you buy this shirt yourself?
No, it was a gift. My friend bought it for me last week.
Do you have the receipt from your friend?
Yes, I do. Here is the paper.
Thank you. Since it was a gift, I cannot give you cash back.
Oh, really? I was hoping for the money.
I am sorry, but I can give you store credit instead.
I am not sure what that means.
It means I give you a special coupon.
How much is the coupon for?
The shirt was $20, so the coupon is $20.
And I can use it to buy other things in this store?
Yes, you can buy anything you like.
That sounds fair. I need a new belt anyway.
Perfect. Here is your store credit coupon.
Thank you. Is there an expiration date?
No, it is good forever. You are all set.
Great. I will go look at the belts now.
Enjoy your shopping.
The lunch choice.
My stomach is making a lot of noise.
Mine too. It is definitely time for lunch.
What kind of food do you want to eat today?
I don't know. I like many different things.
There is a great Thai restaurant nearby.
Is the food there very spicy?
Yes, it is very hot. I love spicy chili peppers.
Oh no! I cannot eat spicy food. It hurts my mouth.
Really? I think the hotter, the better.
You are brave. I prefer bland food with less pepper.
Okay, no Thai food. How about a steakhouse?
I cannot go there either.
Why not? Don't you like a big burger?
No, I am a vegetarian. I do not eat meat.
I did not know that. Do you eat chicken or fish?
No chicken and no pork. I only eat vegetables and grains.
Is that for religious reasons?
No, it is mostly for my health. I feel stronger this way.
I understand. So where can we go together?
Do you like big salads?
I usually prefer meat, but I can eat a salad.
There is a new garden cafe on the corner.
Do they have good food?
Yes, their fresh vegetables are delicious.
Okay, let's give it a shot.
You will like it. The food is very fresh and crisp.
Talking about food is making me crazy.
Me too. My mouth is watering.
Let's go before I fall down from hunger.
Follow me. It is just across the street.
A splitting headache.
Welcome home, honey. You are late today.
Hello. Yes, I am late, and I am very tired.
You look terrible. Is everything okay?
Not really. I have a splitting headache.
Oh no. Do you want some aspirin?
No, I don't need medicine. I just need quiet.
Why do you have a headache? Was work busy?
It was not just busy, it was stressful.
Did your boss shout at you again?
Yes, he is a real pain in the neck.
What did he say this time?
He said I am lazy. Can you believe that?
That is not fair. You work very hard.
I know. He thinks I take too many breaks.
You should tell him he is wrong.
I cannot do that. He is the boss.
Well, is that the only reason for your headache?
No, my coworkers were annoying today too.
Were they gossiping about people?
Yes, they talk all day long. I cannot concentrate.
That sounds very frustrating.
And then I had to drive home.
Was the traffic bad on the highway?
It was a nightmare. The cars were not moving.
Why don't you take the bus to work?
I don't like the bus. It is too crowded and hot.
Well, the bad day is over now.
Yes, being home makes me feel much better.
I am glad. Seeing me is the best medicine, right?
You are right. My headache is already going away.
Good. Sit down and I will make dinner.
Thank you. You are the best.
Making a plan.
I am so bored today. There is nothing good on television.
I agree. We should go outside and do something fun.
That is a good idea. What do you want to do?
How about we go to the movie theater?
No, I don't want to see a movie. I saw 3 movies last week.
3 movies? Wow, that is a lot.
Yeah, I sat in the dark for too many hours.
Okay, no movies. How about we play tennis?
Are you crazy? It is 90 degrees outside right now.
You are right. It is too hot to run around.
I don't want to sweat. I want to be somewhere cool.
Well, do you want to go to the shopping mall?
I like the mall, but I cannot buy anything today.
Why not? Did you spend all your money?
Yes, I have to wait for my paycheck. I am totally broke.
We don't have to buy anything. We can just go window shopping.
Looking at things I can't buy is sad.
Okay, I have a better idea. Let's go eat dinner.
Now you are talking. I am very hungry.
There is a new Japanese restaurant downtown.
Is it expensive? Remember, I have no cash.
It is a little expensive, but the food is delicious.
I can't go. I have to save my money for rent.
Don't worry about the bill. It's my treat.
Really? You will pay for my dinner?
Yes, I will pay. But you have to do one thing for me.
What is the condition?
After dinner, we have to go bowling.
Bowling? That sounds perfect.
Yes, the bowling alley has air conditioning.
Good food and a cool room. Let's go right now.
Great. Go get your shoes.